Hey guys, Mike from AlphaCars here today with a 2015 Focus ST with a lot of great upgrades. I'm going to take you around the car, show you what's been done to it, start it up, let you listen to the exhaust, and tell you a little bit about what it's like to drive. Now, we picked up this Focus with only 19,000 miles on it. It is absolutely gorgeous in performance blue. And right off the bat, you can see a lot of the changes that the previous owners have made to the car. Now, I shouldn't really say owners. It looks like the vast majority of this car's life over the last 5 years has really been one owner. Picked up in late 2015 and owned until we purchased it in November 2020. So let's start with the good stuff here. We've got the Rota wheels wrapped in the General G-Max AS03 tires, and more exciting, behind those are the Focus RS upgraded calipers and rotors. Now those are 4-piston Brembo calipers, upsized rotors. And as we continue around the front here, we've got the tinted headlights, which really look a little bit more aggressive than stock. Nice hint of blue there inside the grille, which is the air intake, and a little shroud around the air intake pipe. And you've got your CPE Custom Performance Engineering Intercooler, all the charge piping behind that as well, part of the full kit. Paint is in outstanding condition, just beautiful all the way around the car. Now, coming around the back, you can see a couple of little details like that blue ST logo, and there's a few other cosmetic changes that I'll point out as well, all very tasteful. Now, coming down here by the exhaust, this is an agency power exhaust, full catback system, plus downpipe, catless downpipe, I might add, which really gets you the most power out of the car and unleashes that turbo flow freely. Inside the car, you'll notice right away we've got an aftermarket vent built in with the snow performance monitoring system for the methanol injection kit. A great system for safety and reliability and making sure that you can operate at higher boost pressures reliably. Now, that kit can be found right here in the trunk. That is your tank. There's your original vent for the dash and all of your mats coming with the car. Clearly a lot of pride and ownership of this car, and a lot of thought went into the upgrades and the modifications. Now, seats. These seats are in outstanding condition, effectively new. The two-tone ST stitching and the more aggressive bolsters, they're very comfortable. They look incredible. There's no damage anywhere on the interior. Just absolutely pristine. Now it's time to start it up with the keyless ignition. There's our button right there. Now, you'll notice that this is an aftermarket display. It's a 10.4-inch upgraded screen with a lot more functions in the factory unit. You've got Bluetooth, you've got your music, but you've got even more music options. You've even got video options, and then there's performance settings and monitors that you can use as well, all built into this unit. Please check out our link on the website for how that works and what some of the capabilities are. Moving on to the other performance items, short shift kit, perfect positive engagement in the throws here. Nice and smooth, excellently done. And we're just clearing some of these menus here. Now, you can see there's a check engine light on just because of the O2 sensors in the catless downpipe. Not reading factory readings anymore because obviously you are flowing a lot more exhaust gas in order to make this kind of power. So nothing to worry about there, and we'd be happy to verify that those are the only codes stored, simply O2 sensor codes. And for that reason, we are selling the car as is, but for no other reasons other than that, just the catless downpipe and the O2 codes. Beautiful back seats as well, all perfect condition. Almost forgot to mention the stance of the car when we were going over the wheels. BC Racing Coilovers front and rear, adjustable end links front and rear. There's a chassis brace underneath the car that stiffen the undercarriage for roll. It is incredibly nimble. The handling is outstanding. I promise you, I'll tell you a little bit about how the car drives. I myself have owned several hot hatches, from GTIs, Golf Rs, R32s, a lot of Volkswagens, but lucky enough to have driven WRXs and Focuses, and Fiestas, and all that fun stuff. And I have to say, without a doubt, this car turns in sharper, it accelerates more forcefully, it sounds deeper and meaner than just about any other hatchback that I've ever driven, any other performance hatchback than I've ever driven. All the work was done incredibly well, very thoughtful. I mean, even the details, like the things to make this power get to the ground, the rear motor mount has been done so that the engine doesn't move as much. You've got that methanol injection kit to make sure that you're making reliable power, the intercooler. It wasn't just performance, of course, it was suspension and brakes. It's really the full package on this car. Now, this red line is your methanol injection kit. You can see your CPE intake right here, your Elite Engineering oil air separator. Incredible amount of detail went into this build. Over $8,000 of performance parts. And it really does look and feel the part. Not a dollar was spared in the build of this car. Let's take a listen out to the exhaust burbling away. Nice and deep. Let's give it a little rev and see how she sounds. Let's go this way. Sorry for the camera dance. Excellent sound from a 4-cylinder motor. Throaty, deep. It's exactly what you want from a performance hatch like this. The steering wheel looks great. We've gone through the car and done a comprehensive detailing as well. It is ready for the next owner. A performance enthusiast like us is absolutely going to love driving this car on a daily basis, maybe even doing some more work over time. But spectacularly done car, very well built, very classy, very unique with this color combination, and we are excited to take this into our inventory and offer it to a new home. If you have any other questions about the car, please contact us. AlphaCars.com. You can find us on Facebook as well. And we're always here to answer any questions that you may have. Take one more look down the side of the car and we'll wrap up. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you soon.